Now see this, how many 8-bit characters can be transmitted per second over 9600 baud serial communication link using a parity synchronous mode of transfer with 1 start bit, 8 data bits, 2 stop bits and 1 parity bit. So what is it they are trying to say is, we are having a channel, in that channel 9600 baud is the possible rate at which we can send the data. So whenever it is not given about any encoding like Manchester or differential Manchester, baud rate represents bit rate. In case if they give you these encryptions and all that differential and that like that, then we have to consider it differently. So if nothing is given, always take that baud rate equal to bit rate. So in this case 9600 bits per second, right? That is what is possible rate in the channel. And then they are saying that in order to send 8-bit characters, which means each character is of size 8-bit, in order to send 8-bit characters, one character is of 8 bits, we are going to add 1 bit start, isn't it? See this, 1 start bit and 8 data bits plus 2 stop bits and 1 parity bit. So this is the total number of bits we have to send in order to send one character. And now they are asking how many such characters can be sent in 1 second. So if you observe this is 12 bits. So in order to send one character, we have to send 12 bits. Okay, so one character we have to send 12 bits, right? So now they are asking how many characters are sent per second. In order to answer this, you can think of it with terms of the data rate. The data rate possible here is 9600 bits per second, which means in 1 second we are able to send 9600 bits. Now in these 9600 bits, how many characters can we send, right? So that is what they are asking. In 1 second we can send 9600 bits, and how many characters does this 9600 bits represent? That is the question. Got it? So how can we answer it? So 12 bits is equal to 1 character, then 1 bit is equal to 1 by 12 characters, then 9600 bits means how many characters? 9600 divided by 12 characters, right? So if you compute it, I think you are going to get 800 characters will be transmitted. Understood this? In their sense, one character means not just 8 bits, all this. If you are able to send all these 12 bits, then only we are able to send one character. And our channel is capable of sending 9600 bits in 1 second, right? Then how many bit characters will you be able to send in 1 second? That depends on how many characters can fit into these 9600 bits. For that we computed it like this. So the answer is 800. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. after taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.